Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a poll right within Messenger. Polls are a fun way to gather opinions or make decisions quickly with your friends or groups. Let's dive in and see how easy it is. 1. Open Messenger. Start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. 2. Start a new message. Tap on the new message icon or open an existing group or chat where you want to create the poll. 3. Compose your message. Type your message like you normally would. 4. Add a poll. To add a poll, tap on the plus icon next to the text box. This will bring up additional options. 5. Set poll question and choices. Enter your poll question in the Ask a Question field. Below that, you can add options for people to vote on. You can add up to 10 choices. 6. Post poll. Once you're satisfied with your poll question and choices, tap on Create Poll or Post to share it in the chat. That's it. Your poll is now live in Messenger, and everyone in the chat can start voting. It's a great way to get everyone's opinion quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy polling.